So today it unexpectedly snowed, and currently TSX is low-key covered, so we're gonna dig it out. And I guess I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse somehow. Grab something from inside. Okay, that's the exact one. Okay. So I'm gonna just set y'all up here, and then you guys gonna watch. So the freaking video cut off, so I had to just go check it and then re-record and delete some stuff out because I had no storage. So here we go.
And I love a bad bitch with confidence. Don't smile nice, you style right. And girl, you got some mean thighs. So this right here is mean time in between time. Cold world.
So we made it to work. And car's good. Besides this one. Just it. Yeah, I'm losing air in that tire. But it's okay. So I am not gonna lie. The last video, like the last clip, was literally like 3-4 days ago or so. Today is now Thursday. Alright, so I don't know if y'all can hear me over in my loud ass car, but currently on the way to go pick up some parts for a friend due to a little situation. I'm helping her out. Well, I bought headlights and taillights for my friend's birthday, but we never got around to installing them, and then she had an accident. The car back without the pieces when she returned it. Like, it didn't come back how she gave it, basically. so she could drive around at night, because right now she's missing a tail light and she just can't drive at night. So on the way to go get them now, you guys when I get everything. All right, guys, so we got the tail lights. They're right over here. I'm going to go to her, grab some. I am going to grab some tail lights, bulbs for her. She needs the turn signal, reverse, and a brake light, but she only needs one of each. So I might see if somebody got some that works and throw them in the tail lights, or I might just go to the junkyard and see if I can find some good condition ones. You guys, currently in Enfield. I do not like the way my hair looks right now. Currently in Enfield right now. Right now I'm about to grab some Chick-fil-A because I'm freaking hungry. Then about to stop at First Job to go grab my MB battles, which is Teddy battles, to throw them on the car since the Tandeezys, I can't run them right now due to like 3 different reasons. So we're going with my second winter setup because my battles have actual snow tires on them. So we're gonna throw them on, and then I'm also gonna grab myself a garage in the same place as Ferb's. So since I'm always out here anyways, I might as well just like get my own garage and move all my stuff into it to get like some clutter out of my house and my job. But when I link up with Ferb, I'll get back to you guys. So, got my wheels from Ferb, waiting for him to bring the other 2. And he should bring me timbers out here. I'm gonna throw them on the TSX. I did get the garage. That I got it. But car's just spec right now. I emptied out some of the car. I put the stuff in the garage already. I'm gonna give him the safety case in case coming down. Just be proud of me. I vlogged today.
Take your golden retriever, man. It's cold, man.
Do you want the other key to my garage?
No. I'll stay in the dungeon.
You guys liked the video. It's currently the next day and I'm currently at work on a break. As I was editing, I just realized I didn't do an outro, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and stay tuned for future collabs and more content for you guys.